Alice Go, Marbel, Abalos, halatang scripted. BBM, Big Boss of Pogo himself, Rainer 2, halatang scripted. BBM, Big Boss of Pogo, Rainer 2, okay? Cassandra Ong, halata mismong scripted. In other words, ang trial mismo sa Pogo is scripted. Ang king and queen of Pogo himself. Check this video up, guys. Also, please subscribe sa YouTube ko, guys, okay? Take care. Again, guys, ang trial sa Pogo, lahat yan ay scripted. Pogo never disappeared. It is all a big lie. It is scripted, guys.